If you've been feeling tired, foggy, inflamed, or like you're aging faster than you should, the problem might not be your hormones, your diet, or your stress. It might be something far more fundamental and far more fixable, your mitochondria. These tiny powerhouses inside your cells determine how much energy you have, how fast you age, how well you recover, and even how sharp your brain feels. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester, and today I'm going to show you how mitochondrial dysfunction accelerates aging and the simple lifestyle fixes that can slow it down or even reverse it. Mitochondria are your body's energy engines. They produce ATP, the fuel your cells use for everything, including thinking, moving, repairing, digesting, and detoxifying. They also regulate inflammation, metabolism, hormone signaling, and cellular repair. When mitochondria are strong, you feel vibrant. When they decline, aging accelerates. As mitochondria weaken, several aging pathways switch on. 1. Reduced ATP production. Low ATP equals low energy. You feel tired, sluggish, and mentally foggy. 2. Increased oxidative stress. Damaged mitochondria leak reactive oxygen species, ROS. Excess ROS damages DNA, proteins, and cell membranes, accelerating aging. 3. Impaired cellular repair. Healthy mitochondria regulate autophagy, your body's cleanup system. When they malfunction, damaged cells accumulate. 4. Chronic inflammation. Mitochondrial dysfunction triggers inflammatory pathways linked to heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. 5. Metabolic slowdown. Poor mitochondrial function reduces fat burning and insulin sensitivity. Mitochondria weaken from a variety of causes, including chronic stress, poor sleep, sedentary lifestyle, nutrient deficiencies, environmental toxins, ultra-processed foods, excess alcohol, and chronic inflammation. The good news? Most of these are modifiable. These are the most powerful, research-backed strategies to strengthen your mitochondria and slow aging. 1. Prioritize cardiorespiratory fitness. Aerobic exercise increases mitochondrial density. Your cells literally build more mitochondria. The best options: brisk walking, jog-walk intervals, cycling, swimming, and hiking. 2. Strength training. Resistance training stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria. Simple moves include squats, push-ups, lunges, deadlifts, and resistance bands. 3. Get morning sunlight. Sunlight regulates circadian rhythms, which control mitochondrial repair and hormone balance. Just 5 to 10 minutes in the morning makes a measurable difference. 4. Eat a mitochondria-friendly diet. Focus on leafy greens, berries, omega-3 rich foods, colorful vegetables, high-quality protein, olive oil, and nuts and seeds. Avoid ultra-processed foods and excess sugar. 5. Practice intermittent fasting. Fasting activates autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup system, and improves mitochondrial efficiency. Even a simple 12 to 14-hour overnight fast helps. 6. Improve sleep quality. Poor sleep disrupts mitochondrial repair and increases oxidative stress. Strategies include consistent bedtime, cool, dark room, limit screens before bedtime, and morning sunlight. 7. Reduce environmental toxins. Toxins damage mitochondria directly. Reduce exposure by using natural cleaning products, avoiding PFAS-containing cookware, filtering drinking water, and choosing organic produce when possible. 8. Manage stress. Chronic stress floods cells with cortisol and inflammatory signals. Effective tools include breathwork, meditation, nature walks, journaling, or yoga. My final thought: your mitochondria are the engines of your longevity. When they thrive, you thrive. When they decline, aging accelerates. But you have more control than you think. Move your body. Build muscle. Eat whole foods. Get sunlight. Sleep deeply. Manage stress. Reduce toxins. Protect your mitochondria, and you protect your future. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my latest book, Stronger by the Day Nutrition, the ultimate guide to diet types, foods and recipes for energy, fat loss, strength, longevity, disease prevention, brain health, and more, along with all the other books in the Stronger by the Day Empowerment Collection, all available on Amazon and my website. And visit my website for other free resources to help get you started on your wellness journey. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.